Namaskar. Have you ever noticed something very interesting? Sometimes after meal you feel light, comfortable and energetic. And at other time after eating almost the same food you feel heavy, sleepy, hungry again very quickly. Why does this happen? Most people think it depends only on what we eat. But there is another factor that many people overlook. It is not just what you eat, it is also the order in which you eat your food. And this simple change can influence your digestion, energy levels, hunger, and even your long term health. Let us understand this in a very simple way. Imagine that you are sitting down for a traditional Indian meal. There is a salad, there are vegetables, dal, roti, rice, perhaps even a small sweet. Now think about how most people begin their meals. Usually, we reach for the roti or rice first. Some people may even start with sweets during celebration. It seems harmless, doesn't it? But our body experiences it differently. When foods rich in carbohydrate enter the digestive system first, they are broken down quickly and glucose enters the bloodstream rapidly. As blood sugar rises, the body releases insulin to manage it. Insulin is an important hormone and is necessary for good health. However, when blood sugar rises too quickly and too often, it can contribute to craving, fluctuation in energy level, increased hunger, and difficulties in maintaining a healthy weight. So, what is right approach? The order in which you eat your meal is very important. Step 1. Begin with fiber. Start your meal with food rich in fiber. This could be a bowl of salad made with cucumber, carrot, radish, or tomato. It could be lightly cooked vegetables, vegetable soups, or sprouts. Think of fiber as preparing the path for rest of the meal. Fiber acts like a natural speed breaker. It slows down digestion and allows nutrients to be absorbed more gradually. Step 2. Move to protein. After this, move to protein-rich food. For vegetarians, this includes dal, chana, rajma, lobia, sprouts, tofu, and paneer. In moderation, protein helps you feel satisfied and supports the maintenance of healthy muscles and tissues. It also helps reduce the tendency to feel hungry again very soon after eating. Next, include healthy fats in moderate amount. These can come from nuts, seeds, coconuts, or healthy oils used in cooking. Healthy fats improve satiety and supports the absorption of important nutrients. Step 4. Eat carbohydrates last. Finally, eat your carbohydrate rich food. This includes roti, rice, idli, dosa, poha, upma, and similar foods. When carbohydrates are consumed after fiber and protein, the body is often able to handle them in a much more balanced manner. The rise in blood sugar becomes slower and steadier. Many people find that they remain satisfied for longer and experience fewer cravings between meals. Interestingly, many traditional eating practices emphasize meaningful eating, eating slowly and including vegetables and legumes as a regular part of meal. Modern science is helping us understand why these practices may support better digestion and metabolic health. Of course, this does not mean that food order is more important than food quality. The quality of your food remains the foundation of your good health. A balanced meal made from wholesome ingredients is always the first priority. However, if you are only trying to eat healthy and wish to make one simple improvement, changing the sequence of your meal may be worth exploring. To remember this simple guideline, Fiber first, protein second, healthy fats in moderation, carbohydrates last. Try this approach for next 2 weeks. Do not simply follow it mechanically. Observe yourself. Notice your energy level. Notice your digestion. Notice your hunger patterns. Our body is constantly communicating with us when we learn to observe carefully. It often teaches us what is best for us. Take care of your health with balance and awareness. Namaskar.